see some local artists like EQ's in the front. I can see Talib P, Big Papa, you know, the big...
Austin Ellison is here tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can see McCowan, yeah. My partner Prime, you know, is in the building.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Well, I think at this moment we're waiting for the arrival of a very special lady. I think she's on her way. And I see Carl Davis, Mr. Carl Davis. Come, man. Long time I called you. Definitely.
Oh, come on, just arrived.
Yeah. I know you all know his face, you know. You may not have seen it recently, but you used to see it every Sunday night. Clap him now. Clap him.
Yeah. In PM Juice, I'm still a PM.
Yes.
Yeah.
Carl is one of the stars of the feature film you're going to see right now called Almost Heaven. Come here, Carl. Tell us what's been happening to you since Royal Palm Estate.
All the good, all the bad, all the in-between.
I hear you just came back from Nigeria.
No, not this year. I was here last year.
Show up. Tell us about it. How was that? You did any film work then?
There's some things in the bag.
Nice.
And I hear that there's some producers here.
Yes.
I hope they want good people to work with.
Yeah.
We are here.
Yes. Nice. Good to see you. Well, third World Cup you're in.
No, I was in Dancehall Queen.
Dancehall Queen. Yes, thanks for the correction. And you're in this movie tonight, Almost Heaven.
Yeah.
Tell us a little about your time on the set.
Well, Almost Heaven started out as Lively Up Yourself. That was the working title they had. And I think it was filmed about 3 years ago.
Yes.
I have not seen it as yet.
What?
So this is my first look at.
Oh, you're in for a lovely
But
surprise.
the feedback we've been getting sounds positive, so
Yes,
people should enjoy it.
I'm very glad to see the people from the Jampro Film Commission here because they had a lot to do with helping this film get made. They gave a lot of assistance to this film, and that's really great.
Well, I hope this means lots more films because we have the right location and people.
Yes.
So let's get busy.
Yes. Thanks for coming over and speaking with us.
Carl, once again, congratulations, you know. Trust me, you look young and hot said here. From the grow. How you do? How you eat?
Good food. Dumpling granny.
All right. I'll call another flat row of people. Yeah.
Right. Well, what we have...
Of course, I'm a musician, engineer, producer, so I play like different instruments, you know, drum, bass, guitar, keyboard, whatever, you know. And you know, I use that now to produce my music too. So although the song is like 100% music. So yeah, representing reggae, but they never live the life. I'm a new school, but the old school now is my inspiration. Of course, I have to mention man himself, the legend of Cool. Which is a real superstar, a real rocker. Without people like that, me could have never exist. But I was in it, my mother always used to keep on really hard. I listen to every time she is really kind of sad and stuff. So that's why when I think about really parts, you know, I think about sunshine.
We have supper around here. I'll tell you, when we want a bicycle, here in Kingston, partying with the girls. Please got the camera going. I'm having up for the camera. Of course, how could you not love something so like that? You'd have to be the devil not to love good. I'm happy to enjoy this.
The most important lady with us. And you know I'm going to introduce the Minister of Information, Culture, Youth and Sports, but I want to say this. She's not just the minister. This is the lady who jumped over all the prejudices against reggae and Rasta and said, we are going to do this. We are going to make reggae great. We're going to make the world know reggae even more. And we have a reggae film festival. We're going to do it. I put my government, I put the resources of my government behind this. This is the Reggae Film Festival. And I must introduce my good friend, the Minister, the Honorable Olivia Babsy-Grange. Come. Yes, please, come just say 2 words, please. I know this is not your night for speeches, but please, let them hear your voice.
Thank you, Barbara. Tonight is not the night for speeches. I want you all to just enjoy. I want to say hello and acknowledge all the filmmakers and all the individuals who are involved in the film industry. It's good to see you here. It's good to see those who are involved in culture and heritage. It's good to see all of you. I want you to enjoy the evening, and I want you to all remember, this is the start of some good and great things to come. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Minister. Yes, she deserves that applause, let me tell you. We also have in the house Bill Parker, the maker of Clash, but without further ado, I'm going to give you tonight's feature film. It's called Almost Heaven, and it's from Germany. Germans made this movie. Come on, where's Carl Bradshaw?
Give Carl a round of applause.
Yes, one on each side.
Yeah.
Carl Davis, Carl Bradshaw.
The 2 Carls of the century.
You mash up the girl guitar and you turn her into a star. That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Otherwise known as Aussie.
Beautiful. Yes. Everyone is saying this is the kind of movies we want to see. What you say, Carl? Come on, give us a word.
Carl first.
Well, Jamaica is showing you that we're not just limited to one-dimensional, one kind of genre. You know, we're putting ourselves in a position now that we're going to be able to compete internationally. And this is just another step on the ladder that we're climbing. And in the near future, we're hoping to do 3-4 films a year and really take Jamaica another step further.
Yes, I like the idea, Carl. And I just want to ditto what he's saying. So, we know we have the talent here, we know we are ready to work. Let us get busy.
Well, you see the minister there, and she makes promises that we're going to have a greater film industry than ever before. So we'll hold her to it. I want to ask the people from Jampro who are here who worked on it. Del Crooks, stand up for me, please. Brian St. Just. I don't know if Natalie Thompson left already. I saw her in the movie. Nice, nice. Maxine, were you involved in this one? Well, you're involved in all the others.
And this is not just a one-way street, yes? Jamaica is poised to take off. You can feel the breeze, you can feel the energy. But it's not just a government or opposition problem. Jamaica has to really bond together now and move forward with energy. And if we and the business community really take a good look at filmmaking and the potential that it has to offer Jamaica. You know, Jamaica is a country that likes to see its investment as far as visuals are concerned. So our earliest stage of development was like concrete and steel. We like to see that kind of investment. A film is just some lines on a paper and your cash. But